What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the GPT Zone. I'm Bubby Garner, your host, and in this video we're going to be talking about using ChatGPT to write a book. Now, the first thing you have to understand about using ChatGPT to write a book, people, is what kind of book do you want to write? Do you want to write a novel? Because if you want to write a novel, you go to mycustomgpts.online and you click on our custom GPTs list, scroll down, read a little content there, and you'll scroll down and you're going to find the custom GPTs that write in the style of James Patterson and Dan Brown. And we have other GPTs that write in essay form, article form, and so forth like that. So tonight we're going to use the ultimate article and SEO wizard using ChatGPT to write the book. And in our example tonight, we're going to go over to Amazon. We're going to do a little research because I want to show y'all something. You have a choice. You could write a novel, which is cool. I write novels in my pastime. But I need books that I could put on Amazon right now that I could start making money with. And that's what I'm going to show you people. So let's do a little deep dive here into what I'm talking about. Here on Amazon, you see this book called Live Beautiful. All right, hardcover illustrated, March 3rd, 2020. It's a #1 bestseller. That's the category it's in, decorative arts, okay? You can get it on Kindle for $17.99. That's going to be important in just a few minutes. Or you can get the hardcover for $30.67. All right? Now, let's just say it's a Kindle book. Kindle means it's an ebook. All right, which is what I'm going to be showing you how to make, and I'm going to show you why you want to make a book like this and put on Amazon. Let's start by taking a look at what the book is like. All right, let's read a sample. Now, if we come over here and we look at the sample, we're on the Kindle book, and we can see that page 1 is the cover page. It's nothing but a picture with the title on it, okay? We go down to the next page. What do you see? Nothing but a picture. All right, go to the next page, and it's her early bird, and she wants you to claim a free ebook there to get you on her list. Okay, then the Live Beautiful, that's the title page, another page with a picture, a content page, and this is going to be important in just a minute, and a forward page, and after the forward page, another page with a picture, another page with a picture, and then an introduction. All right, this book that's on Amazon, and as you can see, the author is me. All right, and let's open it up and take a look and see what I've done here. As you can see, I've got a cover page right there. I let Amazon create it for me. I did not stress over it. And then I've got an introduction here that tells you about Italy and what's fantastic about it. Then I've got the title, #1. These are going to be destinations people want to travel to in Italy. So the first place they want to visit would be the Roman Forum, okay? And I've got a nice image there with it and a little description of it. And then I have another destination they would want to visit with a picture in it and a discussion on what exactly it is. All right, it's the exact same book she has. And I made it with using ChatGPT to write a book. And here's how I get started. Looking at my keyword list, I see that the next book on the list is Coffee Table Book Hawaii. It gets 170 searches a month, and the difficulty is 5 to rank it, so it ought to rank pretty easy. So let's get started on our plan. We're going to copy our keyword. We're going to head over to ChatGPT, and we're going to look at all my specialized GPTs over here. When you sign up, it'll show up over here on yours too if you sign up to get the Ultimate Article Writing and SEO Wizard. And here we get started on that page. Now all we have to do is click Begin. And the Ultimate Article and SEO Wizard introduces itself. Welcome, I'm Milo, the Ultimate Article and SEO Wizard. Are you ready to begin crafting your article? If so, please share the keyword we'll be focusing on. So you just paste in your keyword. And let's see what Milo has to say. Now it's going to tell us that when people search for coffee table book Hawaii, why are they searching for that term? That's very important. And when somebody searches for coffee table book Hawaii, the ultimate article in SEO Wizard informs me people searching for the keyword are likely looking for a visually captivating and high quality publication that showcases the beauty, the culture, and the unique aspects of Hawaii. The intent behind such a search can be varied, including decoration. All right, they just want to put it on their coffee table. Gift for somebody else. That's good. That means they're in the business of buying our book. Personal enjoyment. They just want to flip through it for themselves. Educational. They want to learn more about Hawaii. These are all important and very important for the GPT to understand why people are searching for this, because he's going to structure the articles that we're looking for around these people. Okay, now let's get started. Considering these intents, are you interested in creating a blog post or article that caters to these motivations using coffee table book Hawaii as the keyword, keeping in mind the searcher's intent? Okay, yes, very simple. Yes. And Milo wants to know, great, how long would you like the article or blog post to be, and do you have any internal links you'd like to incorporate into the content? Now, the answer is no to the links, and it should be 800 words long, okay? And head over to wherever you save your documents, okay? Like I save mine in Google Documents because it's easier. And just paste your article in there that ChatGPT just wrote. And now you have the introduction to the book that we are about to start. Now you just take a minute and clean it up and put all the right tags in it, and I'll be right back. Alright, now that I've got everything formed up pretty good, it looks nice and pretty, we're going to need a picture. But before we get started there, I want to show you that I see something that I want to correct already. In the enchanting world of Hawaii coffee table books, we want to take out coffee table books. We don't want to sell coffee table books. We want to sell this particular coffee table book. So we're going to take that part out. Alright, no big deal, small edit. Still looks great. And that's a good name for it. Looking in the first paragraph, instead of saying Hawaii coffee table books do this, you're going to say our coffee table book. Our Hawaii coffee table book hopes to do just that, offering a visual feast that beckons you to dive deeper into the island's enchanting world, whether you're adorning your home, searching for the perfect gift, or simply yearning for a slice of paradise. This book serves as a timeless treasure, promising the beauty of Hawaii in every turn of the page. Not bad, just a few little words there, correction, and we're good to go. Now we need an image, and what we're going to do is you're going to go to pixabay.com. You're going to search for Hawaii because that's what we're talking about, and you're going to go through the images here and find a nice one. I like her sitting on the beach. So let's do that. Download the image, come back to our book, and right here at the very beginning in the first paragraph, we're going to want to insert a picture from the computer. It downloads. Make it get to the center, like that. Make it small. After you line everything up, it looks wonderful here. You got your picture for your introduction looking good. Go on down. The next part was talking about Hawaii coffee table books, so I chose why choose Hawaii. I went back over here to GPT, and I told it I just needed 200 words or 2 paragraphs on why choose Hawaii as a destination for vacation, and I pasted it in right there. Very simple. Done. Bam. Now, we need to know where people go visit Hawaii and why people are going to want to go to Hawaii. So let's go now to over here, back to ChatGPT, and we're going to ask ChatGPT, using ChatGPT to write this book, And we're going to tell ChatGPT, give me 30 destinations in Hawaii that our coffee table book can talk about. Give me the destinations in a numbered list, and hit it. And within a second, ChatGPT kicked out 30 places in Hawaii that people would want to go on vacation right there, all 30. Now, people, in case you don't understand it, this is now the table of contents that's going to be talked about in the book, all right? So in 10 minutes, we've got an introduction and a table of contents of what we're going to be doing. So there you go, table of contents at the top, number the list along the sides right there, keep them on down like that, that's your table of contents. And how does it feel? You're already on page 4 of 5 of your book. What you want to do is you want to copy the name of your first destination, copy it, go down, and put the first place in, clean it up, all right? Now, we go back to ChatGPT because we're using ChatGPT to write the book. And we tell ChatGPT, I need 400 words on why someone would want to visit number 1. And you click enter. And now you have a 400 words why somebody would visit number 1 right there. So we would copy it right here. Copy that. Copy from here down. All right, I see something that I don't like. When writing these essays, don't mention a conclusion like it did right here, okay? The essays are a part of a larger book. And he said, okay, bam, he gives me another one and he didn't mention it. So we copy this. All right, we're going to go paste it in our book. You paste it, and let's make a couple of little edits here. Do this, make it bold. Maybe make it a 15 or 16. And then just go in there and put your paragraphs in. And there you go, there's part 1, all right? And now you're on page 6. Go up to the top, grab number 2. Come on back down, paste it, straighten it up, make that bold, make it a 16, and head back over to ChatGPT. And you just simply type it in, or paste it in. Number 2, Wiki Beach. And now within a second, ChatGPT gives you the second article. You just grab it, copy it, paste it, put your paragraphs in, and you're good to go. You're on page 8 of your book. Get back there, go up to back to the top, grab number 3, and you rinse and repeat, people. Keep doing this over and over. Go back to ChatGPT, say, give it to me. It does. You just copy it, paste it, do your formatting again, get your paragraphs indented, and you're good to go. Now, we're going to go to the next step, because we just do this 30 times, people. That's it. So far, we're on page 9 of our book. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to copy the name of the place, and we're going to go to Google, and we'll Google the destination, all right? We're going to want to go to Images. You'll go to Tools, Usage Rights, Creative Commons Licenses, and I like to look for pictures from Wikimedia, all right, because I know I can't get in trouble if I use them, so I'll click on it. This is cool. You just copy the image, come over to your book, and simply Control V, and your image will appear. If it shows up small, you just grab it by the end, pull it back like that, and stretch it out to the full page. That way you get a whole bunch of picture, and it's breaking up all the words, all right? Then you go to your second destination, Google it, go to Images, Tools, Usage Rights, Creative Commons. Look for a Wikimedia picture. It's a Wikimedia, but I don't like it. You got the Wikimedia Commons over there. That looks good. Wikimedia there, that looks good. We're looking for something that would be intriguing in the book. Right, here's one from Pixels. That's a pretty one. Let's take a look at that. It comes from, it's a free download. I don't want to download it. I just want to copy the image, go back over to my document, paste it in there, and structure it to where it's a big full picture for your book, and then go down and start number 3. Copy number 3, and rinse and repeat the process. I look for it here, Wikimedia, and I see a whole bunch of nice images here I can use. I like this one. Let's use it. Copy the image, go back to your document, space, come up, paste. And there it is, people. Done. Alright, so now you're on page 11 of your book, and you've only covered 3 so far. Alright, this is going to be awesome. But let's assume that we've went on through and we've got all 30 done. It's very simple. I'll finish my book this morning and get it ready to upload. I'll wait to upload it to show y'all. But what I'm going to do now is go to ChatGPT again, because ChatGPT to write this book isn't done until we do the conclusion. Now I need a 500-word conclusion for my book, and hit enter. And there's my big long conclusion. All I got to do is grab it, copy it, go back to my book, say conclusion, make it bold, a little big there, and paste in your closing, set your formatting, and you're done. You'll be done. All you got to do, rinse and repeat. 3, 4, 5. Write this essay for me. Destination number 6. Destination number 7. ChatGPT cranks it out for you, and ChatGPT writes this book for you. Now, the next thing is going to be the community that you're going to need to be a part of that can make you money with this book instantly, people, the moment that it becomes available on Amazon. And I'm going to be showing you how to do that in the next video. Alright, so with that, love y'all, be blessed, and I'll see you then.